Yeah, that's how we kicking it off this morning, but dang, look at the lineup. We out here, not getting gas as you can see, but we out here getting ready to roll out. It's gonna be a nice day. Ooh. That was a funny shot to get. I was not expecting to see that. All right. It's only 10 o'clock, and we're done with Cars and Coffee. But the crew's here, and we're getting ready to roll out. I think. And we got a nice lineup today. Nice lineup. So yeah, it's starting to sprinkle a little bit. I'm pretty sure these people at Chick-fil-A are probably ready for us to leave. I think we're trying to figure out gas stations and some other things. And we'll be on our way to our next destination. Hopefully catch some real good scenery, some real good drives, some backwoods, back roads. Should be pretty nice. Well, yeah, I'm just glad we got the crew out. So we stopped to scout out our location. Ironically, we ended up at this lovely store, and of course, after an hour and some change in driving, everybody had to pee. And in this lot, oh, he moved it already. But one of the gentlemen working has a lovely G82 M4 X-Drive. Yeah, it's green. I'll go over there and check it out. I'm actually gonna get some snacks and something to drink, because yeah, we've been driving for like an hour and a half. Yeah.